Alright, this is an awful angle, but it's the best I got for somewhere to put the camera. I find WD-40 works great and doesn't get moisture in the tire. So, there we go. First test with the proper duck head and adapters. I'm sorry about the noise. I have no idea how well this is going to go or not go. I haven't done this yet with this setup. Keep in mind, that's a Tusk D Sport. That is a tough aggravation of a tire. Ugh. Move this side of the wheel. Now this rim is really no good. It's cracked and bent and in bad shape, so it's a perfect test dummy that I don't care about. The tire, I didn't know it until I took it off. It ain't no good either, so. And I don't know if you can see in the camera, but the bar actually never touches the wheel. So right now, the only thing touching the wheel is the tire. All right, let's see. I don't know about you, but I have fought these D Sports unbelievably hard. So that means something like a Trail Max Mission, like a certain somebody had me install. Should be a lot easier. Let's see how easy it comes off. Oh, you can't ask for nicer than that. That was off and on. Let's go back on one more time just for the fun of it, because it's normally a really irritating tire to put on. Due to the design of everything, this right here would be the only point in time your tube would be at risk. And when I get to this point right here, I can see the tube. And then I can, whoop. Once I get this in here, I can start the wheel by hand, get the bar out of the way. No risk to the tube. There's nothing in there. Nothing that can get the tube. I'm happy. I'm gonna take this back apart and put everything away. I understand the reason for needing bars on the trail. Believe me, I get it. But if I'm going to help other people or be doing this and going through 3 or 4 different types of tires till I'm happy, this is a lot easier. This is one of those tires I always hated putting on. Next, I need to order some rim locks for this junk wheel so I can practice that on here. Hoorah! Alright, so that's cool. Let's see. Those little fingers grab the bead so nothing to scratch the wheel. Got spacers that let it space so the sprocket can go down. Of course, the machine has a beast of a bead breaker. I tell you what, get you off the tripod. That's what the spacers were for. Raise it up so anything with hubs, you know, shaft-driven bikes, whatnot, etc., nothing's in the way. Smaller duck head. There's the one for automotive tires. I tried with the one with automotive tires and it tore that D-Sports. That D-Sport's no good no more. That went incredibly well. And what I mean by it tore it, like it started to eat the bead. So I ordered the adapters to do it right. I had a perfect lab rat. Nice bead breaker. And that thing is incredibly powerful. I need to loosen up the hinge, but yeah. Yeah, I'm happy. This is gonna make life so much easier. Might even be a nice side income. We'll see. Anyway, that is the Katool KT-T800. Adapters, everything. I'm shy of 2,000 invested. Next is a balance machine and good to go.